Hey contractors, I'm Andrea Briggs, Product Manager with ABB. So what if you could save over 20% of your time on every installation without sacrificing strength? Traditional one-piece ENT fittings can slow you down and may lack the durability you need on poured-in-place concrete jobs. Introducing Carlon's ENT two-piece fittings, built for faster, stronger installations. It offers over 200 pounds of pull-out strength across all sizes. It's rock solid in any build, with 21% average labour savings in lab-tested installs, so you can finish jobs faster. It features an 8-tab snap design. No taping or PVC cement is required. It's concrete tight and hassle-free. It has freely rotating connections, which prevents kinks on long conduit runs. Whether it's apartments, hotels or parking decks, Carlon ENT two-piece fittings means less time on site, fewer headaches and stronger results. Take advantage of the strength, speed and efficiency of Carlon ENT two-piece fittings. Contact your local ABB sales rep for more information.